I am with Ambassador Bird Avery. I'm Lisa. And my message for peace is that whenever you see a stranger, you smile and you will make their day better.
Hi, my name is Dawn McHale, and I'm here with Ambassador Bird Avery. Hi. And my message is, why can't we all just get along?
No. All right, no, go ahead.
I think peace is about like this, when people get together
That's right.
and do something together. High five.
All right.
Woo!
Ooh, all right. You okay, little fella? Okay. And that's what peace is about. Unity and harmony.
Reaching out, working together.
That's right.
Muy importante que paremos la industria armamentística y que no hagamos de la guerra un negocio, porque ese es el problema que está acarreando mucha miseria y violencia en el mundo. Así que, no more arms.
We want to remind you that war is not healthy for children or other living things. Give peace a chance.
I think that people shouldn't hurt each other or kill each other, and that we should have peace in the world. In the 21st century, war is really so 20th century. We should just stop doing it entirely. That's my message.
This way. Go to him. Okay.
Добрый день. Хоть я и живу в Америке, я из России. Поэтому я хочу говорить на родном русском языке. Я считаю, что если каждый будет в мире сам с собой, со своими близкими, со своими друзьями, не будет войн на земле никогда. Будьте в мире сами с собой. Спасибо.
Yeah, everybody, it's your boy H3 here. Then y'all know about, the thing that we got going on about peace, non-violence and all of that. It's really bad these days. Times are hard, and the best thing to do is to be peaceful about it. So yes, peace, happiness, and love, and family is really all you need. Thank you.
Hi Avery, I'm going to teach you a little cheer about peace. It goes like this, okay? Are you listening? Peace, 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 peace. Peace is the best. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
What's the deal? Let's get some peace.
Hey, my name is Sheila. I rescue cats. I rescue feral cats and I rescue friendly cats. Now this is the dove of peace. This is Ambassador Bird. And even Ambassador Bird says, I love kitty cats. I love all creatures. Let's have peace among humans and all of God's creatures.
No hitting. World peace. Say it loud.
World peace.
There you go.